Okay, so tonight I thought I would try to make some kind of miso vegetable soup here. So I got these instant dashi packets, which I've never used. I've made dashi from scratch before, but these seem pretty time-saving and great. And honestly, oh, they smell so good. I'm gonna use one of these. I'm gonna add miso at the end, and this miso is really nice. It's kind of like a light miso. I'm gonna add some onion because I don't have green onions, so we'll see how that goes. Some cabbage and some carrot. So I'm gonna prep all these ingredients and get started. Okay, so I have all my vegetables here cut up, my onion, my carrot, my cabbage, and I've got my packet of dashi, which I didn't say this, but if you don't know what dashi is, it is a broth you can use for a lot of different things, and it's made with various things like seaweed, like kombu, and bonito flakes, and this one also has, I believe, some mushroom, some shiitake mushrooms, and also some mackerel, I think. Okay, so we're gonna put this all in my pot of water I have over here, and then we're gonna bring it to a boil and let it sit for like 5 minutes. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, so I don't have one of those fancy miso whisk things. I need to get one. So in the meantime, I've sort of come up with my own solution, which is I took some of my hot broth and I have about 2 tablespoons of miso in here, and I'm just taking a fork and I'm mixing it up. And I'm really sorry to anybody who makes miso soup the proper way, who has to watch me do this. I truly am sorry. I'm gonna work on it. I promise it's on my grocery list the next time I go. All right, so that's it. Bye. So my soup has once again come to a boil. The stove is just a little too high, but it's ready, and I'm going to turn it off. And now I'm gonna take out this dashi packet. It is really fragrant. It's really, really awesome. It smells super good in here. A lot of really nice bonito smells. So it's gonna be nice. I'm gonna lose a few vegetables with it, but that's okay because I have more than enough cabbage in this pot. Arguably too much cabbage, but I love cabbage. So now this like miso mixture I made with the dashi stock, I'm just gonna pour it right on in there, and then I'm gonna stir it up, and that should be it. We should be done after this. Be ready to eat it. Ooh, it looks nice. So again, I just did cabbage, carrot, onion, the dashi packet, and about 2 tablespoons of miso. All right, I think this is ready to get served up. So we've served this up, and by we, I mean me. This is the only spoon I've got right now. I gotta put a soup spoon also on my list. And again, this smells so good. The vegetables are really nice and soft. I realized I probably should have added tofu to this early on, but maybe next time I'll do a nice tofu miso soup. Sorry, the camera's getting a little foggy from all this steam. Okay, so I'm gonna try this and tell you how it is. The vegetables are soft, but they still have some crunch to them. Just a light amount on the onion. That is really, really nice. Really nice and subtle. It's fragrant. Really enjoying it. Feels very healthy. All right, so that was my first attempt at a miso soup. We'll see what I do next time. Later. Oh, oops. So, Sky's cooking dinner now. And Sky, what are you making?
I took all of my leftovers, so I have Kalbi beef that was marinated in gochujang, and I chopped up some kimchi, broccoli, and just a little bit of spinach with my day-old rice, threw in it, or I threw it in sesame oil with some soy sauce in it, and I'm struggling trying to break up these little rice balls.
Oh my goodness, the rice.
This is actually my first time making fried rice. So.
Oh, you're doing great. This is awesome. This looks really, really good. And what are you going to add later?
I think I'm gonna use some of that red seasoning that you like to throw on your food.
Yeah.
But other than that, I'm just gonna have it with some of your miso soup.
Ooh, and you're putting kimchi in, right?
Oh, I already did it, yeah.
Ooh. And the red seasoning she's talking about is this right here.
Yeah, I've never had that before.
Nice.
But apparently it's really, really spicy, so.
Yeah, it's really good to put on top of rice and stuff like that. And this is a miso soup from earlier that I made. All right. So we're gonna add some egg to Sky's rice, and what I was saying to do this, at least the way that I do it, is you want to make a hole in the middle of your rice, and a little bigger than that. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. And basically I'm scrambling this egg, and we could add a little salt to it, but I think that's pretty salty as is, so that's not really needed. Now we're gonna pour it in here, and basically what we're gonna do is kind of let that sit and like scramble it a little bit here and there. And you don't want to mix it into the rice like too soon, because then the rice might get kind of like, make it sort of like a mealy texture with the egg. That's kind of weird. But basically we're gonna sort of like let that do its thing, and then slowly like incorporate it into the rice.
Okay, thank you.
So Sky's just now mixing in this egg. She made it nice and a soft scramble here. Sorry we didn't film all of the egg cooking.
Yeah, I was learning, so I was focused.
Looks really, really, really good. So I think all Sky needs now pretty much is a bowl. So I'm gonna help her out and use one of my hands here and do that.
You think it's done already? You think it's done already?
Yeah, I do. I think it is absolutely done.
All right, let's turn the stove off.
It smells awesome. All right,
Thank
there's your
you.
bowl.
Okay. Maybe
Oh, do you want me to help you
Yeah, you
dump it?
hold it. Oh, no.
Yeah,
I
okay.
don't want to get the whole thing. Or actually, yeah, let's put the whole thing in there.
Well, you don't have to
if
get the
this
whole
is
thing, but just, yeah, get it at the bottom. Just look out for your thumb. All right.
Teamwork.
Yeah, this is some serious teamwork. This is exactly how
You're
teamwork.
the chef and the
Oh
cameraman.
my gosh. It's high production value over
Oh,
here.
yeah. This is a low budget film.
This looks so good. Oh my gosh. It smells awesome.
Okay.
Yum!
Thank
Perfect! Okay. Wow, that looks awesome. Alright, I'll let you go for now. And we'll check back in with you once you actually take a bite. Okay, so Sky's got her fried rice here, her miso soup,
And a glass of orange juice.
a glass of orange juice. That's some healthy stuff right there. Alright, so I'm just gonna use this stuff, right?
I'm nervous just because you said this.
Don't dump it. Yeah, just
Okay, yeah, he said this really kicked you last time.
Yeah. I think maybe I just had a really big bite of it.
Okay, that
But
looks fine.
That looks awesome. Okay, let's see how it goes. Really good.
Okay.
What do you think? It's good. That looks really, really good. All right, we're gonna let her eat in peace now. Bye.